Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use paddle shifter's Infiniti Q50. Start by locating the paddles just behind the steering wheel and familiarize yourself with right for upshift and left for downshift. Practice gentle pulls to feel the engagement and avoid holding a paddle during long shifts. Use paddles when accelerating, overtaking, or descending hills to control revs and braking. Always return to automatic mode for relaxed driving or heavy traffic situations. Before you begin, shift the Infiniti Q50 into manual or sport mode to enable the paddles, then drive at a safe speed. Keep both hands on the wheel and pull the paddle briefly while watching the tachometer to choose the optimal shift point. Avoid prolonged holding, which can confuse the transmission logic. Practice in a quiet area to build confidence until gear changes feel seamless and predictable in daily driving. When you are comfortable, use downshifts to leverage engine braking on hills and reduce brake wear while maintaining control. In sporty driving, a quick throttle blip before downshifting can smooth the transition and reduce shock to the drivetrain. Remember, the Q50 may override manual shifts to protect the engine or transmission, so let it intervene if it prevents a shift. Practice timing and keep smooth inputs for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.